Hey guys, if your games are downloading slowly on BlueStacks, this guide will help you speed things up in 2026. So whether you're downloading large Android games or updates from the Play Store, yeah, I'll show you the best ways to improve download speed step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly outside of BlueStacks. So test your speed in a browser to confirm your network isn't the problem. Next, restart BlueStacks and your Wi-Fi router. Temporary network glitches can sometimes slow down downloads inside the emulator. For faster downloads, try using a stable Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet cable instead of weak wireless signals. Yeah, unstable internet can reduce Play Store download speed. Using an older version of BlueStacks may affect network performance, so update the emulator to the latest version for better stability and download speeds. If downloads are still slow, try changing your DNS settings to Google DNS or another public DNS service. Yeah, this can improve connection reliability in some regions. Large downloads may also slow down during busy internet hours. Downloading games late at night or early morning can sometimes improve speed. And that's basically how to download games faster on BlueStacks in 2026. So, after applying these tips, your downloads should become quicker and more stable on PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.